This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact YouTube video and the segment you want. You need a downloader that extracts audio to MP3 or M4A. Once you have the URL, open your chosen converter, paste the link, and select audio quality. 128/320 kbps is fine for alarms. Make sure the file name is short and descriptive. Download the audio file to your phone or a computer folder you can access. This step creates the file you'll convert and assign as the alarm sound. Once the audio is downloaded, trim and convert if necessary. Use an editor or converter app to remove silence and export to MP3 or M4A because clock apps read those formats. For Android, move the file into media/alarms or ringtones using a file manager. For iPhone, import via iTunes or Finder and sync to tones. After transferring, reboot or rescan media so the system indexes the new sound. Make sure file metadata and name are simple so the clock app shows it. Now open your clock app, create or edit an alarm, and select sound or ringtone. Your new file should appear under alarm tones or ringtones. Tap it to assign. Once done, test by setting a near-future alarm to confirm loudness and behavior with Do Not Disturb. If the file doesn't appear, make sure it's in the correct system folder in MP3/M4A format and that the phone was restarted or media rescanned. If playback fails, reconvert at 128 kbps and retry the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.